Hi everyone, and welcome back to Art-Cher. Home design is something that I really enjoy, and today I'm going to share a little something different with you. I decided that I would show you how I designed some dysfunctional space in our house and converted it into a highly functional space. I'm going to start by showing you our office space, and I'm in it right now. So I'm going to start by showing you how I designed it and also part of our den as well. So here we go.
The start of the homework space for my boys. So I'm going to do a back feature wall with an 8-foot countertop table in between those two blue lines. And that area is going to be framed out with paint. So I'm going to start with this color that's called flannel gray. Now that I have that base coat down, which is the majority of the color that's on the walls, I am painting the center of this a few shades lighter than that gray on the wall. So I'm going to mix the paint with some white and paint that in. So it really depends on how wide you're going to want the border from there to where the border would go around like this. So what I'm doing is I'm going to paint in this part, and I'm going to tape each side after I paint in and decide how big I want that border to go around. This is what I have so far. So now this is the border edge. I had to take the tape off and then measure it again. The top and the bottom are going to be one shade of a gray that's not on there, and then the other two sides are going to be a different shade, so that it makes an illusion that it is three-dimensional. Hi everyone! So this is our new workspace for our family. I just want to explain to you how the room looked beforehand. This was basically a front room area which flowed right into a dining room, what was set a dining room at that point. We never used the dining room, so I kind of evolved the house into different things, and our last project was we needed a workspace, and luckily it was done before the pandemic. So what we did was we took this space and divided it. It's not even 1/3 of the space of the other room. On the other side of this wall we have our new laundry room, and this area is very functional now. We come in here and we do our work, and we have our desktop, and there's an area where you can have anything like a laptop or anything else. So now I'll show you the rest of the room. And this is the new area that we created on the opposite side, or actually it flows right into the study area. So when this room was here, it didn't have any window there. This area over here had almost like a bay window, so this is a new door. And this soffit area up here we added, and we added some lights in the soffit. So this is a really functional area as well that we love for our family, and hopefully you'll get some inspiration and you can do some fun things for yourself or your family.